Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android head unit for Land Rover Freelander 2007 to 2012 years. Okay, here is the box. Let me open the box. This is use manual. Harness. This is the head unit. Okay, let me introduce the harness set first. Okay, here is the special harness for Land Rover. This is a small speaker. Connect this wire. Okay. Let me introduce. You can check. This connector connect our Android head unit. Okay. This is backup camera with RC type. This fuse box for and there are this harness. This special harness for Land Rover. Okay, and this connector. Okay, and this connector connect the back head unit. There are audio out, video out 1 and video out 2. This subwoofer RC type. Okay. And AUX left and right. Okay, this is the harness. Okay. It comes with audio cable and GPS antenna. This is 3 USB cable. 3 USB. And this is AUX. This is video input. 1 and 2. This is AUX left and right. And this is harness. It's video input. Background. This is reserve backup camera power. This camera. It's microphone. The microphone, external microphone port. Okay. Okay, let me introduce the head unit. You can check this head unit. And you can check this sticker is power menu navy standby. It's an IR reset 和 麦克风 built-in 麦克风 and a USB. Here is USB. Okay. You can check this head unit. Kids is 7-inch and back. Is that this kids. Okay, you can check here. This power and this Wi-Fi antenna, GPS antenna, Wi-Fi antenna. These connectors. This SIM. Okay. Let me introduce head unit. Okay, let me power on head unit with 12 voltage. Okay. Connect power cable with 12 voltage. Okay, you can check the head unit will light on. Okay, show Belsee logo and the Land Rover logo. Okay, it is starting. And please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, this button lights on. Let me check settings. This is Land Rover logo. You can choose the time logo, Land Rover logo, connect Wi-Fi radios. You can set the music, choose the app, set the music. Sorry, let me try again. Okay, when you click it, it will show the music. Okay, let me show the settings. You can check Belsee. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us there. Okay. We adjust. Okay. You can choose Belsee and change the theme editor color. Okay, it's Belsee. Let me check the settings. It's Wi-Fi and the system. You can check model is PX5 Octa core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. Let me back to home. And the other settings you can set the car. It's worked steering wheel controls. You can set the steering wheel button and there, and navigation. You can choose the sound mode, mixing or other. Switch, mix navigation. And extra settings. You can set the fast boot ACC with 1 hour or 5 minutes. You can set that. When you set it, when you start the car, it's fast response, fast start, fast turn on the head unit, just 2 seconds. Okay. Extra setting, you can turn on the play music from USB or SD card. It's reserve volume, X mirror, X ruler. You can. It's beep sound if you turn on. Okay, the factory settings. Okay. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Visit our website belsee.com. Okay, thank you.